Welcome to Financial Edge by Honest Accounting Group. I'm Enoch Garcia, QuickBooks Advisor and Lead Accountant at Honest Accounting Group. If you need help with bookkeeping, QuickBooks, or cash flow management, please visit honestaccountinggroup.com to schedule a free consultation. You can also find me on LinkedIn under Enoch Garcia. Now let's get started. So to select a currency per customer, we will have to create a brand new customer. So before you do that, you have to make sure that your multi-currency option has been turned on. I've done a video before this one on how to do so. So turn it on and manage the currencies that you need. But once you've done that, you'll go to Sales, Customers, and you'll need to create a new customer. So once you hit New Customer, at the very top, you'll be selecting what currency you want for this specific customer. So if you need a British pound, then you would do so and then enter all of the details for this customer. But when you create an invoice for this customer, it'll be for this currency. Okay. So now, if you want to edit a current customer and change the currency, you will not be able to do so. As you can see, the currency option is not available. So in order for this to work, you have to do it from the moment you created the customer. Okay, so if you already have a customer, hypothetically 123 company, and it's USD, you might want to do 123 company dash GBP, whatever works for you, but it has to be a new customer. Nonetheless, that's how you create a new customer with its own currency other than your home currency, assuming it's USD. Any questions, please leave it in the comments below. If the video was helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.